Welcome back to my channel. I have a very small Dollar General haul. I did pick up one of these Chop and More, and I've been wanting one of these. They're like $5 at Walmart. This was $2 at the Dollar General, and I believe the day that I went they had them. They only had them in blue, but I believe they have them in red and green as well. I wanted to get my hands on one of those. And random, but I found this Smart and Simple dish soap and lemon scent. And for $1, I got 50 ounces. I don't think this is going to do a great job on like dishes and cutting grease. It will wash dishes, I'm sure, but probably not a great job on cutting grease. But I thought, you know, washing the car, washing down other things, whatever, like this bulk bottle is nice to have. I picked up some random bath salts. I just happened to walk by and see these, but they're from Spa Naturals Bath Soak, and this is pure Epsom salt and essential oils, and I got it in rose petals for $1 for 1 pound. They smell good through the bag as well, and I have some rose bath bombs, so I thought they would pair nicely. Someone asked me to get the Believe Beauty Long Lasting Eyeliner, the eyeliner in Caviar, to test out and do a review on, so I did pick that up, and I've already been using this. I've had it for a couple days, and yes, I like it. We will do a full review on this, so stay tuned. The last and final item I grabbed is a clothing item. I just have this shirt hanging on the cabinet so you can get a better look at it. It was $10. It's Bobby Brooks, and I got it in the size 2X. It has like a scoop in the back, lower hanging fabric than the front side of the shirt. It's a gray wash, and it has these beautiful purple roses with the green leaves. It's absolutely beautiful. I had to have this for spring. It is a thin material, so you'll probably have to wear a cami underneath as well. I had to share my haul with you guys and shed some light on some awesome products I found at the Dollar General. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you all are having a blessed day. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.